Hello friends, welcome back to the mini video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to talk about this Infinix phone sound and vibration setting. And today video title is guys phone charging sound how can be turned off. Friends you want to turn off guys your Infinix phone charging sound, so how can you off it? Today friends I will show you, I will tell you in this video guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe this channel, click the bell icon and like the video. So first of all guys we will on guys our phone setting guys. After on phone setting guys, you can see this type of setting in your Infinix phone device. So when we will click on guys this phone sound and vibration, tap here and guys again scroll. So friends you can see phone charging sound guys, we will off from here. After guys you can see guys this phone charging sound will not work in our phone. You can charge, you can, so friends you can charge guys your phone without this is phone charging sound. So I hope friends you've understood how to off guys phone charging sound in Infinix phone. So bye bye friends, thanks for watching the video guys.